Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to decorate the trucks with Christmas decorations. So you can see all the Christmas decorations is on the Christmas trucks already. So you can see the Christmas decorations is on the trucks. Look at all this Christmas decorations. Very beautiful, right? Wow. So many trucks with Christmas decorations. And looks like there's 24 Christmas trucks with Christmas decorations. And yeah, and let's start to decorate the trucks with the Christmas decorations. And now before you decorate any of the Christmas trucks, I'm gonna put up some Christmas songs for you guys. And we can enjoy the Christmas. And it's already December. So, and yeah. Okay, we got the Christmas songs on, and let's start to decorate the Christmas trucks. So let's take this decoration and replace it inside. And done. Very easy and simple. And move on to the next truck. And here's a bit different. This is the paper. So let's take the candy cane and we're gonna place it on the front. There we go. Next one. Oh, this is a bit small. Okay. Let's take the reindeer with the sleigh and let's put it on the fire truck. There we go. Move on to the fire tanker truck and take the snowman and place it on the back. There we go. Next truck. Okay, take the Christmas tree and let's put it on the back. And take the sign that says Merry Christmas, like this, and place it on here. There we go. And now we have 5 Christmas decorations. And let's put this on the truck. So put one here. And take this one. Take the Christmas tree. And take the Santa. And last one. Okay, there we go. This truck's done. Move on to the next one. Okay. And next one is the buses. We got 2 city buses. And let's place the center on the front. There we go. Next bus, take the Christmas tree and place it here. Okay, next one. There we go. Okay, this is a bit tricky. So take this reindeer, put it over the strap, like this. Okay, now we're done. Move on to the concrete mixer truck. Put on the back, like this, and move on to the concrete pump truck, and take the snowman, place it behind the cab. There we go. Now the green dump truck. That truck's very big, so place this one here and place the Christmas tree. Place it over here. So you can see, yep, okay. Okay, 2 more trucks. Take the candy cane, place it on the back. 1 more. Last truck. Okay, we got it. We made it, guys. Wow, guys. We sure will have a lot of fun decorating the Christmas trucks with Christmas decorations. As you can see, we got the Coca-Cola truck, and we got the fire trucks. Wow. Check all these decorations out. Christmas decorations. And 2 buses. There's even a Santa. And tow trucks. Wow, so many. Okay. And yeah, that's all 24 trucks we have decorated so far. And yeah, guys. And that's how we to do the Christmas stuff, and all the trucks are waiting for the convoy to be ready. And anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.